Hello everybody, my name is Achinta Sharma and today I'll be showing you how you can code Minecraft using code.org. So this is the page that appears when you are about to sign in. So if you scroll down, you will see over here want to try with coding without signing in. So click on Minecraft and here you will see there are 4 options: Minecraft, Voyage, Aquatic, Hero's Journey, then Adventure, Designer. Click on Adventure and click on Start. So it will take some time to load and this is the video for your reference. Select a character. I'll select Steve. Okay. We have to hit the run button whenever we want to try our program out. So they're asking us to add a second move forward block to reach the sheep. So just I'll add one block, or else I can just select this block and Control C, and I can just Control V, and I can also duplicate it like this. Now run, and we have reached our goal over here. Next puzzle, and this puzzle is we have to reach to the tree and destroy it to get some wood. So first of all, place 2 forward blocks, then place 1 destroy block in your code, and your character will destroy the tree. Now this is the third puzzle. Now here we have to share the 2 sheep so that we can make our bed. So over here, first drag and drop 2 forward blocks, then share, turn right, move forward, then again move forward and share. So this is the code that we will be using to share the both sheeps. So let's run and see. Now turn right and okay. We'll just remove 1 forward block from here. I've done a mistake. Yeah, we'll just put the share over here like this. And now share the both sheeps. Now click on continue. And now this is the 4th puzzle. So we have to collect the wood from all these 3 trees. So let us run and see where the character is reaching. Now the character needs to go 2 more steps forward. So just drag and drop 2 forward blocks, then destroy block, and then turn left and 3 move forward blocks. 1, 2 and 3, and destroy block like this. Now we'll just run our program and see how it works. Now the character has collected wood from the 3rd tree and he's going to collect it from the 3rd tree as well. I mean he has collected from the 2nd tree. So now this is the 5th puzzle. Now again there's a video for a reference for loops. So this is loops. So we no need to write the code again and again. We can, instead of writing the code again and again, we can use a loop. So just first I'll put this place bridge bigs and then repeat 4 times, move forward. So that will be more. So let's make it as 3. Okay. I forgot to add a place bridge planks. Yes. Now it will do it 3 times and we're done. So now we are entering in the 6th puzzle. So we are going to build a house. So firstly I'll just select medium. Now it is going to move forward and place blocks. Now turn right and select this block. Repeat 2 times. Move forward, place planks like this. And it is going to build our house till here. Now let's turn left again turn left. Yeah. Then we have to go curve again, then we have to take a turn, then we have to build our house. Okay, we have to actually turn right. Then repeat it 4 times or 3 times. I think 3 would be fine. Move forward. Place bridge blocks like this. It is building the house over here, as you can see. Yeah, now needs to turn right over here again. So it will come till here, then it will turn. And then our house will be ready. Okay, we need to turn left. So again it will go till there. Okay. Yeah, now it needs to like repeat. Now place, move forward and place the plank. Move forward, place planks. Place bridge planks. Then it has to just take a turn. And it will build our house easily. So we'll just do till the 9th one. Then we'll continue it later. Turn left. Then repeat 2 times. Move forward, place bridge planks. And there we are done with our code. And now our house is ready. Okay. Here it will go like this. Okay, it actually had to turn right. Yeah, now it will work. And we are almost done with our house. And we're done with our house. So now we are going to enter in our, okay. Yeah, now we are going to enter in our 7th puzzle. Yeah, so this is it. So first we'll repeat 6, move forward, plant crop. Move forward and plant the crops. Okay, actually it missed one, so we'll just put one plant crop over there. Now it is going to plant the full field. Now turn right, move 2 steps forward, repeat 2, move forward. Yeah, then it is going to turn. Now it is going to turn left and repeat 6 times or maybe 7. Move forward, plant crop over here like this. Okay, it has done the first one. Okay, turn right. Now it is going to turn over there. And it is going to plant the crops. And we're done. Now center in the 8th puzzle. Yeah, so we need to escape from the creepers and safely come into our house. So first of all, I'll just take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repeat 6 times forward. Move forward. Yeah. Till here, now turn left and move 3 times forward. So that would be an easy way. Just run my program again. Yeah, so actually 4. Then we are going to turn left. 4, turn left. Then 1, 2, 3. Yeah, repeat 3 times, move forward. So using loops, we can make our code small. Instead of writing the same command like 6 times, 4 times, and then 3 times. Okay, 4 times. This one is going to be 4 times. It will almost reach over there. Yeah, we have escaped from the creepers and safely reached to our destination. So this is the last puzzle over here. So first turn left, destroy block. Let's see. Okay, I think already I've made my video so long, so if I solve this puzzle it will be a little more longer. So I'll just think that we'll end our video here only, and from the next video or from any other session I'm going to continue from here. So hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.